Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be sharing some past memories with you guys. This was back in 2022 when we went to Aquarium of the Pacific. This is just a little recap of what the experience was like and how we enjoyed it as a family.
It's a leopard shark.
Oh, take a picture.
Wow.
Picture.
Look at the shark.
Wow. What kind of fish is that?
Seahorse, I think. Wow, that is cool. Look at this one.
It's a weedy sea dragon.
Kind of creepy.
Wow. Are you saying take a picture?
They do look like dragons. Look at the skin.
It says,
Look at
Look at the
that.
wings. Wow! It looks so crazy and creepy. Oh, look at that baby one.
picture?
Oh my goodness. Oh, that is scary, right?
Oh, I'm gonna make one of these in Blender.
Come on, guys.
Look at that! Seal!
Here. Over here, Samantha.
Wow.
Look at them.
Well, that's
Look at that one. I can't believe how big. Wow, look at that.
Go ahead, so there you go. Nice. It's slabbery. Oh, there you go. Look at that. That's cool. It's a birdfish.
It's a yeah, I know.
They just move. That's all.
Why are they chilling right now?
Right here looks right. We're chilling up here. Chilling.
How can they stick to stuff? Why are they chilling?
I got a bunch of suction cups. The birds can swim under the water.
So they're birds. They
Yeah.
swim, but they turn into ducks when they go up.
It's like
Oh,
penguins.
look at that one. See the rainbow. Look at them. How they change in color.
Wow, look at that. You didn't count. Oh, what is Are you ready? Come on. Thirsty? Where they want
Water.
Look at the water, right?
Run in there, Makai. Whoa, look at the fish. You stepping on the water. Come on, Zari. It's water. Come here. Okay. Let me see your dance moves, baby. Ooh. Whoa, it's a performance. Woohoo! You still got it, baby.
Really, Mark? I want to see yours now. Get it. Get it. Get it. Hey, hey, hey. It's very contemporary. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Get it. Hey, hey. Get it, Kai. Go, Kai. Go, Kai. Go, Kai. Get it. Go, baby. Go, baby. All right. Go, baby. Stay tuned, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Much love. Peace.